Hello everyone, today we're going to take the control of Control Center on iOS 15. So we're going to show you Control Center. We're going to press the you can open the phone or swipe up. We're going to swipe up. We don't see anything yet here. So some iPhone will not show, but we are going to show you how to add more Control Center. So we go into the settings. After general, we're going to see Control Center, and then you go down and we're going to add all of them. We're going to add one by one. So I can show you what's the good thing about it. So after we're finishing, we're going back to the home page. I press again, and we're gonna roll up, and here we can see it. So we're gonna start from down. This is the wallet. So you can see the card and the last transaction. You can press ticket and check everything here fast. And here the voice memo. You can press here and then you can record it. Like let's see, you pressing is going to the recording. What we said, rather directly gonna start it without telling you, without pressing anything. I mean, so we're gonna close it, close it, and then you go again back. Now I'm gonna show the set the timer for 1 hour. You can choose 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and 5 minutes, 4 minutes, or 3 minutes, or 2 minutes, or 1 minute. So we're gonna start it. It's gonna start here by himself. And then you're gonna pause if you wanna continue. If you don't want to continue, it's up to you. So here you're gonna choose text size. So you're going to choose text size. It will be like this. We're going to choose like this text size. Okay. All apps or all in. And here it will be switch time. Switch stopwatch. So you can press it and can stop it. Also. So you're going to go back again, show other one. Where's this one? Sound recognition. Sometimes you listen to the headphone using the headphones like AirPods, those types. It will tell you by himself when you got a notification by himself like that. And here you're going to record screen recording. So you can choose anything you want to start just recording. Also, you can microphone off, microphone on if you want. And here, pressing notes. If you want to start new notes, new checklist, new photos, scan documents, anything you want. For example, if you want to scan documents, just press here and it will scan by himself. And it's an easy way to do it. It's not hard. Then you're going to choose another one. This one is an NFC tag reader. Each tag holds some card. Some people they have a card like that, so you can use this fast, so you can get all information about them. And here's Shazam. So this is history 10 songs. I was searching fast, so I got all songs what I'm looking for fast. So see wings, everything, so all of them. And here zoom. If you're looking for something, zoom in, zoom out. Yeah. And other one, you got the other one, the battery. You activate low mode. Press this one, it's not working. And here home kit. So this is the one I have in my home. If you want to outside, or turn off the lights, or anything in the future, like turn off the TV, recording anything, camera, if you want to check something in the house or who's knocking the door, you can check from here. Also, you're gonna hear the hearing. This is like background sound. You're gonna listen live, anything if like when you're meeting something cannot hear very well, so you can use this AirPod and you can put it there on your phone, put it there, and you can listen on your AirPod, that one. And this way you can choose the dark mode off, and this is the remote for Apple TV or TV. And also this is control AirPod announcing then. And this calendar is automatic scanning, so you're gonna have fast, no need to look for the what's my calendar like that. So this is the fast things you're doing in at work. So you're going home, popping home, and then press up. I need the flashlight. You can choose how level you're looking for. If it's not the warm, hard, like that. And this is the one to read the barcode read. If you have the barcode, you can find those two, you can scan it and you can get the website or anything or application you're looking for. Home center again, and here you put alarm. You can choose alarm to wake up, or to like you create one, you're creating everything never like that. In the morning, wake up fast before you're sleeping. Yeah. So here you can control the voice and the light. Also, you can choose the focus. Do not disturb. You can choose for work, for sleeping, for gaming, for driving, or personal thing. Or you can add more in the future. Custom. You can choose anything you want, and you can create it yourself. Reading of that. Yeah. And here you can control your data, your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, AirDrops, personal hotspot. You can, if you want to share with your friend, or you can press the airplane mode also. And here you can open the music and share to the iPhone, the AirPod, or on TV. So this is the all things that. If you have any question, just let me know. I'm going to show you and I'll guide you how to use it. So thank you very much and have a nice day.